not too strong, just light, subtle. It goes on very smooth, and again, it just felt soothing to me. I had the unfortunate privilege of getting chapped lips the other day, but I'm so glad that I ended up finding this organic beeswax lip balm. Absolutely love it. Quick review here. This is the 6-pack. This is my favorite flavor so far. This is the Citrus Blast. It goes on super smooth. My 3 things I like about it is the texture of this. So far, it's held up well when it's gotten hot. It doesn't just melt and ooze. It goes on really smooth, and it's not an overpowering fragrance. That's the second thing. And then the third, of course, it's organic. The ingredients are pretty straightforward. Starts off with the organic sunflower oil, organic beeswax, organic coconut, organic flavor, vitamin E, organic rosemary extract, organic calendula extract. So made in USA, really interesting flavors, and just goes on great. Got the USDA Organic right here. The other 5 flavors are great as well. You got kind of a eucalyptus one. You got a citrus blast. You got this one right here, which is the coconut cream. So a lot of different options. If you're wanting more of the minty stuff, it comes with that. And being cherry, kind of more of a fragrant stuff. But again, love it because easy packaging. I love all things beeswax. My family's really into stuff like that. So giving these even as gifts, having a 5 or 6-pack, is just great to have it in your car and whatever. I use one, and then people all the time, you don't want to share Chapstick. Here, I got an extra one, take this. And everybody who tries it is just like, wow, this is really smooth, really like it. So that's been my experience so far. I really enjoy it. Again, I did not like going out in the sun for so long. Didn't realize my lips were even getting chapped. I found that this one was just like, almost for me, instant soothing. And again, love the quality, love giving these as gifts, and just having an extra pack in my car is huge. So far, the Citrus Blast is my favorite. Not too strong, just light. So I don't like the ones that I open it and it just feels super like strong flavor. This is like subtle. It goes on very smooth, and again, it just felt soothing to me. Just the instant amount of it and back of it. So overall, highly recommend it. Really like it. If you're looking for a different pack and a variety pack, highly recommend picking this up. Really enjoyed it. Again, it's the organic beeswax lip balm by Pure and Natural. Really cool. Earth's Daughter on the back. Cool packaging. Just a little cardboard box. But yeah, overall, highly recommend it.